Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back to another amazing edition of me unpackaging some amazing goodies. And today, you guessed it right. Yes, it's a Boxycharm. It's right here and it is the August edition. So let's dive into the video. Let's open this up. Ta-da! Look at all these goodies. Ooh. And this is the beautiful card we have today. And the theme of August is go all out. Isn't this cute? I love it. And what we have now is the 5 full-size products for just $25. Yes, you heard me right. It is $25 for 5 full-size products. Product number 1. It is this Laura Geller, the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. And this is the first time I came across this brand. That is amazing about Boxycharm is it introduces you to new brands. And sometimes those brands are amazing and you're so happy that you discovered them. And that is the reason why I really love Boxycharm. It's because this palette itself is retailed $45. So $45 this alone, and you get this in the $25 base box, which is such a good deal. Let's swatch this palette and we will do a little eye look with this palette. These are the colors. I will bring it closer so you can see. And let's swatch these colors. So these colors are really good for a smoky look, neutral look. I want to go towards a smoky neutral kind of look. I'll just smoke out the corner. And yeah, let's dive into this palette. This is swatch number 1. Look at this. This is kind of, I think this has 2 shades in it. It's like a monochromatic color. This is a color number 2. This is color number 2. This is number 3. And we are doing the bottom row. And this is number 4. And let's do, ooh, you can see how it looks. This is the first row. Oh my goodness, this would be so pretty for a highlighter shade, inner corner. And this, wow, I love it. It's so gorgeous. Then comes row number 2. This is more of a brown, a taupey brown, I believe. This is more of a salmon pink, and this is a champagne pink, my favorite. And this is more of a nude pink. All right, and this is row number 2. And the third last row, this is breezy, calm, smooth, informal, and these are the first row. Oh my god, look at this color, gorgeous. But this is like a very nude first row. And let's make an eye look with this. All right, I'm gonna be using the LA Pro concealer in a shade Porcelain, and I like to use the lightest shade I can get my hands on. And again, the reason why is I want the colors to pop, and I'm just gonna use the warmth of my finger to blend it. I hope you can see what I'm doing. And then I'm going to be picking up Released, and it is this red here. And I'm gonna pack it up. Oh, the pigment is there. Yep, she is pigmented. I'm gonna pack it up on my crease like this. I don't know, I haven't planned anything. I am just going, I'm just gonna blend it. Ooh, this is pretty. I'm just gonna blend it, and it's all blended. I'm gonna pick neutral, the brown shade here, tap it off, and I am going to smoke everything out. And now I am eyeing this shade, and it's called Effortless. I'm eyeing Effortless, and I am going to put Effortless in the inner corner. Let's see. That's a test, and I'm not putting any spray. Okay. Ooh, look at that. I like that. Ooh. I'm going to finish my waterline and I'm going to come right back. And I'm back, and with eyeliner. I did not do lashes because we have lashes in the box too. And these are Flirty Lash Set by Lava Lashes. And the actual price of this lash is $54. Oh my God. I mean, in a $25 base box, you get these $54 lashes. How cool is that? And these lashes include a best-selling 3D mink, Flirty Lash, a clear latex-free brush on eyelash adhesive, and a gold applicator. That is so cool. I'm gonna open it for you guys just to show you how cool is that. That is so pretty right here. And we will apply these lashes today. All right, and let's apply this glue. I already trimmed the lashes, and if you want to know how to trim the lashes and apply them, I will link a video down here, up here somewhere, so you can see. And this is a clear lash. It is blue right now, and it will turn clear. It reminds me of duo lash glue very much. And let it dry, and then we will apply them. Ooh, I like it. The next product is this spray, and this is Mana Kadar Beauty Hydration Happy Face Mist. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. These are all new brands I haven't been introduced to before Boxycharm, and Boxycharm is so kind enough to introduce us to all these lovely new brands. This is Mana Kadar Beauty Hydration Happy Face Mist. Soothe and refresh tired skin with a mist that preps skin for a hydrating base before makeup application. This mighty mix of minerals wakes up skin, leaving you ready to take on the rest of the day. And it retails for $19. And that's the mist. Product number 4 is the Booty Drops. I really like the name because it's a Frank Body Booty Drops Firming Body Oil. Drop it like you're hot. Booty Drops is a firming body oil to help smooth you over. Each drop is packed with caffeine to firm, guarana to energize, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, carrot root extract to hydrate, plus grapeseed and jojoba oils to soften skin and get you glowing. Drop it straight onto your booty for soft and firm skin to mix with your moisturizer for extra perks. And this retails for $17.95. This smells like, oh, it smells so good. It smells like coffee, and the texture is smooth. Look at this. Then comes this Clara's New York Stimulating Retinol Facial Serum. 96% blend of retinol and vitamin E oil intensively stimulates and moisturizes quenched skin. Retinol provides anti-aging effects by acting as a targeted treatment, promoting skin cell renewal and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Antioxidant-rich vitamin E hydrate while providing anti-aging benefits such as improved cellular strength and elasticity. Use daily for a brightened complexion, and this retails for $24.99. Like a gel. There you go. And it's like this. Ooh. See this? Look at this. And doesn't have any smell to it. So this box include roughly $180 items. This is the August Boxy Base box, and you can get it for $25. And I think this is a great deal. I hope you enjoyed my video today. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would love you for that. Thank you so much. Until next time, take care. Bye. Mwah.